Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Wednesday, March 27, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today, and the candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. We've just taken out the high of the previous candle. The day before that we had a very bullish candle with an inside bar in bar chart terms. Did raise some doubt about continuation of the trend, but the trend has continued to the upside. Not a lot of doubt about continuation of the trend for the previous day because the buyers were very strongly in control, and today they've lost little of that control. The market has closed very much up near the high once again, and it does suggest that the buyers have been committed to taking this move higher. We have a very large shadow on the bottom of this candle, highlighting the strong upside price rejection from below the 1555 level. And if you recall, yesterday I mentioned that that was an area where we could see strong support coming in, combined with the fact that the Tenkan-sen was just below there, and the market did trade to exactly the Tenkan-sen for today's trading and was strongly rejected from there. The sellers lost commitment down around that level. Now we do have a very small body to this candle, and that does raise some doubt about continuation of the trend, and basically because for the previous day with the large white body we had the buyers making a substantial amount of net bullish progress. Today they've lost that momentum and the sellers have made a very small amount of net bearish progress, so a small amount of loss of momentum by the buyers there. Having said that, however, the buyers have failed to breach the high at 1564, 1565, this high of the indecisive candle, and the market will need to trade through there in a bullish manner if we are going to see higher prices. So 1576 is the target. There still is potential for the market to trade up to those levels, and even perhaps beyond, testing up to the 1600 round number level. So we're looking for a potential breakout to the upside, and that would be in unison with the Ichimoku indicators that are bullish in all three time frames at the moment. As I've mentioned, very strong support at 1555, but the Tenkan-sen here is crucial to this market trading higher. If we do see the market trade down below there and close down below in a bearish manner, then there is potential for the market to test down to 1544 initially, then down to around the 1540 level, and then we have very strong support around the 1530 and down to around the 1525, 1523 levels. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, and we're examining the relationship of the first time frame uptrend to the previous time the market is trending up, and our target here is the 100% level at 1566, just above this swing high at 1565, and if the market does trade above there in a bullish manner, we have a target at 161.8% at 1580. And with the Fibonacci retracement, we're in an expansive mode of that. We've traded through the 100% in a bullish manner. We still have a bullish candle here, and our target here is for around 1571. That's the 161.8% level. Now in terms of Ichimoku, the market remains trading up above the cloud, so we have a bullish bias in the long-term time frame. We're also trading above the Kijun-sen, so bullish in the medium-term time frame, but be aware that that Kijun-sen has now turned flat, and price action tends to be attracted back towards a flat Kijun-sen. So let's be aware of that there is potential based on that for the market trade lower, but obviously the strong support offered around 1555 and the Tenkan-sen is what's holding this market up and preventing the market from retracing back towards that flat Kijun-sen. The market is also bullish in the short-term time frame by trading above the Tenkan-sen, so bullish in all three time frames, and the Chica span is above the corresponding price action cut, so confirming what we're seeing in those time frames. And the combined with the bullishness in the candle today on a short-term basis in terms of supply and demand, buyers and sellers, then it is likely that we will have an upside breakout, but certainly 1564, 1565 is a crucial level and will need to be breached in a bullish manner before the market tests up to around the 1576 level.